Take a deep breath. Relax. Now, focus on your heart. Let's do advanced Ho'oponopono and basic Ho'oponopono. Keep your hand on your heart. Try to feel the heartbeat. It's a wonderful gift we have received from universe. The first heartbeat. It's a proof that we are alive in this human body. It's a proof that we have all the power to improve our frequency. Let's keep your hand on your heart with this so much gratitude of having it. Because this is one area, this is the one energy center which can change your complete frequency. So now, let's do Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, universe. Sometimes I forget that how much powerful I am. Sometimes I feel good about how much pain I have, how much problem I have. And I start loving my problems. And that's how I keep on attracting my problems. I'm so sorry for not realizing that how powerful I am. How powerful you have made me. Because I am universe too. The more I think about problem, the more I am disconnected from you, from the source. The more I take these problems as just as the pathway of my life, I will keep on attracting more and more opportunities. Please forgive me for all the conscious and unconscious blame, complaint, self-doubt, frustration, fear, anxiety. Please forgive me for all those times when I may even blame you. Thank you so much, universe, for giving me everything I need at this moment. And whatever is my manifestation, I'm sure I will achieve it. Because I am unlimited. I am universe. Now let's just visualize that you are not a body. You are just the energy. And there are so much energies around you. Just try to feel the energy around you. Expand your energy. Wherever you are sitting, can you feel the other energy? Maybe the energy is emitting from your mobile, your laptop, wherever you are sitting, wherever you are looking, your room, your house, your area, the trees around your house. Just be aware of the energy it is emitting and the energy around you. The more you can sense those energies, the more you feel united with all the other energies. The more you feel united with other energies, you will feel less victim. You will feel more powerful. So let's just be aware of all the energy you can aware of. And feel that you already have everything you need right now. Just feel the silence, because sometimes we have so many other sounds that we don't hear us. Just enjoy the silence for some time and try to feel what are the sounds you are hearing. You may feel agitated, you may feel that some bored, that you're feeling bored. It's okay, it's all your emotions. Just be aware of all your thoughts and emotions right now. You can focus on your third eye. And now visualize the next one thing you want to change in your life, you want to achieve in your life. And not only see it, but feel it. Hear it. Sense with all your organs. Feel the happiness inside you. And if you're feeling any doubt, just take a deep breath and release it and say everything is possible because I am universe. And enjoy your perfect life. Now take a deep breath and slowly rub your palm. And with the healing energy, put this all over your face. Take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Let me switch off the music. Yes. And now check, how are you feeling? Anything you realized, or any realization or anything you want to share, you can share.